my world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hi everyone, Mr. H here. This video is for students and parents to know about Aleks. Okay, so we use Aleks a lot in class, almost every day. Your homework going to be on Aleks, your test going to be Aleks, and some of your quiz going to be on Aleks. Okay, and especially if you Math 1, you're going to take your challenge test later on when you finish Math 1 class, is also on Aleks. Okay, so when you log into your Aleks, this is the screen that you're going to see. Any current assignment going to be on the left side. So as we see that Aleks 4-3 is current assignment, Chapter 4 practice test is current assignments. And you can also click on class progress to see how often you do your Aleks and what is your progress. So I choose an account. This account does not belong to anyone, but I want to show you what do I see on the other side, or what do you see on your side as well. So as you see, this line is go straight across, which means that this student didn't work on Aleks at all, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So parent, when you look at this one, you know how often your kid using Aleks. They're supposed to do it every day. Okay, this class supposed to be 280 topics. The student master 0, learn 0. If you click on Aleks Pi, so beginning of every quarter, they will have a test to check their knowledge. It's called knowledge checks. So when students take the test, that will give you a percentage. How many percent did they master the content of the class? So this class is supposed to be 280 topics. So it depends. If you're in Math 1, you may see 340 topics. So it depends on each class. Okay, so now we're gonna look at the 3 bars on the left. We're gonna click this a lot. When you click on that, you see they have a couple tools for you to choose: learn, review, assignments, worksheet, calendar, gradebook, reports, message center, dictionary, and manage my classes. Okay, we only use one thing in here, is assignments. Okay, all your homework and tests gonna be in the assignment tab. We always click that. The worksheet, I don't give you worksheet on this. Calendar, still, if you want to check calendar, you should check calendar on your Google Classroom. Gradebook, really important. This one is not your accurate grade. This one, it just reflects your homework and your tests. However, you have projects, you have quiz, you have classwork, they all will go to Synergy. One more time, gradebook here is not accurate. It's not reflects your grade. You have to go to Synergy to check your current grade. Report, message center. For message center, if you need to contact me, you can text me through the remind. You can email me, or you can. I have tutoring hours every day. You can meet me in tutoring hour after lunch is around, I would say 1:10, if I'm not wrong, is around 1:10 to 2:30 is my tutoring hour, except Monday. Manage my classes. So in normal year, when we have accelerated class, if you're not accelerated, you don't have to worry about this. Manage my class, accelerated class have to switch between their A grade contents and their Math 1. This year, I heard that we have a dual class. They don't have to do that, but I'm not sure. We're going to talk more about this when it's come closer, because right now I don't have an update on Aleks until August 6 and 7. Okay, so now we're going to look at the assignments. You're going to click on assignments. You will see all assignment is here. Again, this account not belong to anyone. That's why you see a bunch of 0. So as you see that when you look in this one, you will see the name of the assignment, what type of the assignment. This is homework, this is test, this is knowledge check, schedule knowledge check. Okay, so you see the type of the assignment. You see the date is was assigned and the due date. Okay, sometimes student absence and they miss out on this one. If they have a reasonable excuse, I will reopen it for them. But the problem for Aleks, when I reopen it, they will change the date that I changed the expiration, the due date later they're going to ship everything over, which means that current date going to be the start date, but it's not necessarily reflect the date that it was assigned. So be careful on this. Please do not tell me, oh, I just assigned you today and it's due today. It's not always true. It's not true at all, actually. I'm always give you 2 weeks to work on your Aleks assignment. So when you look at this one, you will see the grade, right? When you see 0, which means the assignment already passed the due date, and student either work on it and get them all wrong, or they didn't work on it at all. As you see, this is current assignment. This is 0. That tell me the student already opened the assignment. That's how they get 0, and they didn't get any correct answer. If they didn't open assignment at all, you will see the line like this without any percent, which means student not even touch the assignment. Okay, so parent, you can help me keep an eyes on the your child progress by looking at this one. Again, 0 or any percent, which means they already work on it, they open it. If they don't have any numbers, mean that they didn't open it at all. And you can even see right here is one of unlimited attempt. So which means that student can go back and do it as many times as they want until they get 100%. Okay, so now we're gonna do is look into one assignment to see how it's look like. Okay, I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna hit start. All right, so this assignment, they have 3 questions, but in the real homework, each type of question going to be duplicated by 3. I will have the YouTube video go along with each problem. Okay, for math, more they practice is better for them, is create a habit of solving that problem. Okay, so as you see that this is problem 1, this is their problem. They supposed to type in the answer right here. Let's say if they don't know how to do it, after the lesson on Tuesday, they do it on Wednesday. They don't know how to do it. There's not tutoring hour yet. They cannot ask the question. So here's the tool they can do. If they click on the glasses, that's gonna be explain the problem step by step, includes the solution. Is a warning. You will lose your current question attempt, which means that whatever they're doing right now, the software will give them the answer with step by step. However, they're gonna regenerate a new question. Not the student not gonna work on this one anymore. It's gonna generate a new question. Okay, if I click OK, then as you see that step by step how to solve that problem, right? So when we're done with this one, we're gonna go back. You're gonna try with another question. So they don't lose anything. They can try with another question. Try another question. Okay, so it generate a new one. They don't lose anything. They don't lose any point. They don't lose any attempt. Even they say you lose one attempt, but actually it doesn't count. So student can do that. Again, click on the classes to see the explanation step by step. Let's say you halfway done, you don't want to lose your progress on this problem, you can click on this one. This is the example. They will give similar problem with all step-by-step explanation. Students have a chance to look through the example, understand it, and then when they close it, they can go back and continue on their current problem. Okay, or they can email me. But again, this is not effective to email me. Email, text me through Remind or email to my Gmail. Okay, or email to my Outlook account is vho@rialto.k12.ca.us. That's the best way to reach me. Outlook or Remind. Okay, now we're going to go to second problem. Okay, again, a math problem. They can click on explanation, which means they give up what they have to see all the answer, or they can look at the example, which means similar problem with all solution, and then go back to this, or email me. All right, keep in mind that all of this will go along with a YouTube tutorial video, walk them through step by step, because I understand some students not understand through reading. They need to see it. So I'm going to make a video for it. So each problem gonna be duplicate 3 times, would mean they're gonna see 3 example side by side with those 3 problems. All right, we're gonna when we done, we're gonna save. They can save for later. Submit the answer. Submit the assignment. I strongly suggest submit the assignment because they can go back as many times as they want. If they save for later, if there's more assignment popping up, they cannot do that assignment until they finish this. Again, they can go back as many times as they want, so don't hit save for later. Submit the assignment. Even they may get a bad grade, but they can go back and fix it as long as it's not a due date. It's not past the due date. Okay. All right. So as you see that it gets 0, but now there's no longer a bar. If there was a dash line earlier, which means the student not even open it. Okay. So now down here, initial knowledge check. As I talked about this earlier, every quarter they will have initial knowledge check to see where they at, what did they master, what did they need to study by themselves. This is for knowledge check for individual learning at home. I give them extra credit when they hit the certain percent. Schedule knowledge check is just me. Sometimes I schedule in advance, so they know where's their goal at. Okay. Test. Every test they will have a practice test. A similar question like the test. I normally make a YouTube video go along with the practice test so they kind of see the problem and how to do it. They have to study for it and do the test themselves. That pretty much it for the regular A grade math. For math 1, it's really important that you have to work independently and responsibly. Okay, if you have any question, go to tutoring hour, get my attention. Mr. 8, how do I do this? Because by the end of this semester, this school year, you will have a challenge test. It's cumulative with all the things that we learn. If you pass that test with a C or higher, you will have high school credit, you will have college credit. Okay, and definitely if you pass my class, you're going to go to math 2. If you have any question, feel free to text me or email me. I know distant learning is going to be hard for some of us. So if you need extra help, please reach out. Let me know. We're going to do tutoring uh, after after school. Of course, it's going to be online. And thanks, parents, for involving. And if you have any concern about grade, feel free to text me or email me at any time. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.